at my future, I would like to go to school so that I can, when I be older, I'll not still looking for my sister to give me food. So I would like to go to school. Then when I'll be older, I'll get my work and work with my hands so that even I can feed my family.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I was getting out early in the morning, go to street for food and some money. And now I'm staying here. I'm waiting for my sister for coming with food. So for like now a month, I was not going to looking for dustbins food.
Okay, my name is George and I was a street boy and I like to be in school, but now I'm in school. Even when I was in school last year, I was very glad, but I don't like to go to street again. I like to stay in school.
So when I lived in the street, my life was waking up in the morning. I went to the shops and used to sweep for them. They gave me money for breakfast. And I used to start at 9 o'clock and the banks are open. I used to ask for money.
You'll be carrying the bags for the guys who came from somewhere like Nairobi. You carry for them heavy things. Then your bag will not be strong enough, it will be going like this. Even because you don't know something good and bad, you can drink something like beer. You sleep at the road, you are drunk, you know nothing.
I like school because school is key of my life. So even when I go to school, I'll be a nice man, I'll be a good man, I'll get a good job, I'll be a bank manager. I want to be a bank manager. I go to school, I finish school, I'll be happy.
But now you see in school, there's not something like fighting. You stay in peace. You study well, then after you finish your education, your future will be good. Now I look after myself, I'll be a good footballer, like Dr. Mariga.
We did 5 exams and I scored the best in our classes for the 5 exams. I have proved that all the the kids are not stupid there. Most of them are clever.
I'm feeling good because I have come, and then I meet my friends here, Alfred, George and Joseph. So I'll be working hard and I'll not let you down. So I'll be happy when continuing with my studies.
I think my dream will come true.
Yeah.